Hi all. This question is the equivalent prefix expression corresponding to the infix expression a plus b star c plus d minus g plus h is. Four options are given. So this question is about converting infix expression to prefix expression. Okay, before coming to this question, we have to know the basics. What is infix operation? What is infix expression, prefix expression, and postfix? Okay. What is infix expression? A operator, B model. That means the operator will be inside this operands, and prefix will be, prefix is like operator A and B. Operator then following operands. That is moving this to left side. And postfix expression means A, B, then operator. That is first operands, then operator. Okay. And for example, A plus B. The operator is inside this operands. Then plus is moving to left side. That is plus AB. The operator is before this operand. That means prefix. Postfix operator is after operands. AB. Then plus. This is what? Postfix. Okay. And then we have before coming to the conversion infix to postfix, infix to prefix, and postfix to prefix, we have to know certain rules which are priority. First priority is high priority is given to parenthesis, then dollar symbol, then power operator, then multiplication and division operator, then subtraction and addition operator. Okay. If there is, that means if there is any equation which is A plus B star C, which is an infix expression, then first we have to consider what operator, high priority. We have to take high priority operator. Here high priority is multiplication. So first we will take this multiplication operator. That means this equation means A plus B star C. We can consider as this. Like first priority will be B star C, then plus. That means high priority operator will be given first chance. Okay. Like the Bodmer's rule. Okay. Then if there is, and what if there is A plus B minus C, or something like A star B plus C bar B power E. Okay, just this. If there is same priority operators twice, then we have to take from left to right associativity. For this arithmetic operators, multiplication and division and subtraction and addition, we have to use left to right associativity. Okay. For power operator, there will be right to left associativity. That means if this is given, if the equation is A plus B minus C, we have to take first from left to right associativity, right? So first we will be taking this operator first, then this operation. Okay. For A star B plus C bar B also, the high priority operator is what? Multiplication and division operator, and also we will be taking left to right associativity. So A star B will be taking first, then only division operator, then addition operator. Okay. And if there is any power symbol, A power B plus C power D or something, and it is having right to left associativity, so this will be taken first. C power D will be taken first, and then only A power B will be taken. Okay. These are the two simple basic rules you have to know before converting any equation, any expression to any other form. Okay. This is a simple rule. Then we can easily convert to infix to prefix expression. This is the question given. Okay. A plus B star C plus D minus G plus H. Okay. First, what we have to do is, we have to consider parenthesis. Okay, first high priority is given to parenthesis. So we have to convert this infix expression, this infix operation first. And for prefix, move this operator to the left side, plus AB. Then write the rest as it is. Then next parenthesis, C, D plus. This operator to the left, because it's prefix expression. We are converting to prefix expression. Okay. Then minus G plus H. Write the rest as it is. So these are done. Then next, what we have to do? This all done. Next operator, high priority is what? Star, multiplication operator, right? So next we have to do this. This operator move to the left. Star plus AB plus CD minus G plus H. Then there is two operators left and right. So when we are coming to this minus and plus operator, which is having equal priority, but we are having left to right associativity for this arithmetic operators, right? So first will be taking this operator. So star plus AB plus CD, G minus operator will be given to left. Okay, then plus H. Then we will be taking this operator, so it will be given to right plus, so H will be here. This is how we will get the answer. Plus minus star plus AB plus CD GH. And we can here there is no parenthesis, because in prefix and postfix expression there is no need of parenthesis. So we can remove the parenthesis, and the right option is option D.